Next comes abortion. What is abortion? Abortion is a premature termination of pregnancy even before the viability of the fetus is reached. So what happens after 7 months? Products of conception should have a normal delivery, but when the physician or by nature naturally, if this products of conception gets disturbed, so then we call that as a abortion. There are so many types like missed abortion, where the patient herself is not aware that she was pregnant, and the POC, meaning the products of conception, goes along with the menses. Next we have like induced abortion, where the physician is therapeutically inducing the abortion because there are some chromosomal abnormalities. Or septic abortion, here it is an incomplete abortion, which is where the POC has not been removed completely and which has undergone sepsis and suppuration. This is septic abortion. So we have separate codes for all of these procedures so that you can go and select these codes separately.